Seems like these days new AI tools are everywhere. They're getting tons of publicity and they're making their way into every major industry. But is artificial intelligence of today really viable for enterprise? Or are we simply too early? In this video, I will tell you everything your company needs to know before buying into any of the AI hype or spending money on multiple subscriptions. Hi, I'm Stanis, and today I want to talk to you about 3 common problems that large companies face while adopting AI into their businesses, as well as potential ways of solving those problems for your particular case. And by the end of this video, you will be able to make up your mind whether implementing AI into your enterprise truly currently makes sense. The first, and probably most common out of the 3 problems, is without a doubt data security. A lot of the companies that provide AI services like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic also train their own models. So there is always a concern that your organization's private data may be used to train the future iterations of their models, and that can lead to unexpected leaks and NDA information becoming publicly available with some special techniques that allow access to the original training data. Enterprises need to ensure that their data is handled securely and that the AI tools are complying with the data privacy regulations. This can be a serious barrier to adoption if not addressed properly. The second problem is the sheer amount of subscriptions that a company might need to sign up and pay good money for just to get a diverse enough toolkit for their day-to-day operations. Different models provide different value, and they have different weaknesses and different strengths. So getting the correct combination might be both tricky and expensive. For example, the marketing department would most likely be excited about an image generator like DALL-E or Stable Diffusion, while the IT team would need a coding assistant like Copilot or Code Whisperer. And the company's admin could get invested into a general large language model like GPT-4 for everyday tasks and planning. People also might be used to and have more experience working with one model over the other. And there's a good chance they would like to keep having access to those tools in the future. Lastly, training and onboarding team members to use AI in their everyday work in a consistent and an impactful way can be difficult. Mainly because many organizations struggle to identify the appropriate use cases for AI within their workflows. It is very difficult to keep up with this new type of progress, so the employees might not intuitively understand how to leverage AI effectively and in an impactful way, so that can lead to underutilization and misuse. And with the vast number of AI services available today, there is a steep learning curve to mastering each and one of those tools. Not to mention having to switch between different interfaces of different AI tools can really eat into that productivity boost given by the AI tools in the first place. Collaboration between colleagues is extremely important when dealing with new tools, especially for the larger teams of big companies. So for them, having in-house AI experts is becoming really a necessity. While leaders of smaller enterprises have to encourage their existing teams to experiment with as wide of an array of relevant tools as they can, lest they be left behind. Something that could ease the pain of the early phases of AI adoption is to have one streamlined system that incorporates all the major AI tools while allowing users to communicate and collaborate. One of those systems is Boodlebox. It's a platform that allows you to work together with AI and your teammates in one GroupChat space, where you can mention any of your teammates and most of the largest AI models available on the market, be it GPT-4o, Claude Opus, DALL-E, or Stable Diffusion. Boodlebox doesn't train AI models itself, so it won't ever use your data for that purpose, And all the data and prompts that go through Boodlebox to API providers like OpenAI and Anthropic are fully anonymized and are legally protected from being used to train their models. You can think of it as an AI bundle deal, as the platform gives you access to a multitude of AI models and services at a much lower cost. So you can try out different models in one place and get recommendations from the Boodlebox engine. Plus, the onboarding becomes easy once you can add every team member to a group chat with AIs and their senior colleagues where they can collaborate and talk about any problem. In the end, the decision to try implementing AI into your enterprise is not an easy one. Whether you choose to hire an in-house team, try out a multitude of services, or sign up for an aggregator platform, there is a lot of experimentation and exploration you need to do to figure out whether AI is a good fit for your company right now. That's it. I hope you found a lot of food for thought in this video and can now make an informed decision on whether implementing AI tools into your company now will make it more profitable and effective. Drop a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments if you have any other questions on any other topic, or maybe even this one. And if you'd like to learn 3 ideas on how to accelerate your team's AI adoption, click on this video right here. I'll see you in the next one.